Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now let's go to the website. Right now we are in the home page. You can see the hover effect that is done by using the before and after effect in the CSS, and you can see that continuously looping information about the person like graphic designer, video editor. This is done by using typed JavaScript library. Then we have a hover effect on the button, and you can see a box shadow effect around the portfolio image and having a very curved edge towards the right hand top side. You can see giving a very professional look to your website. Then we can see the social media icons at the bottom. Hover effect changes the color of the icons. Then we can go to the next section, that is our skill section. You can see skill section has two containers. One is for technical skills and one is for professional skills. And here you can see the box shadow effect that I have been done, and I've also added the icons here. You can see JavaScript, Python, CSS, and HTML. And we have created a bar effect that will display the percentage of proficiency that we have in that particular skill. You can see that is also for there for the professional skills also. Then we can go to the education section. You can see for the education section, we have added the image as well as the details like what degree you have done and the small information that you can provide about your education. Then we can go to the careers page. In the careers page, you can see a small description that is done here, and we have created this professional summary icon by using the CSS styling, and at the same time for the same career goals also. And here you can see we have created a box shadow effect card which gives a 3D look to the website that to the professional website. And you can see we have added some main information here like long-term and short-term goals. Then we can go to the testimonial section, and in the testimonial section you can see we have integrated an image inside a text and giving a very professional look testimonial section where the other people have given information about you, how you work about, and you can see the very professionally done box shadow effect here that is added to them. And you can go to the contact me section, and you can see for the contact me section I have also added the envelope icon here. And you can see this is the contact me form, name, email and message. And you can see the whole effect on the button, and you can also see the icons that I've added here like email, phone and address icons. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and this website is also available in mobile view as well as in tab view, which gives the professional website a responsive professional website. And let me show you the this is the mobile version. See, this is the desktop version, and this is the mobile version of the portfolio website, and you can see perfectly aligned exactly at the center. And you can see we have a menu bar on the top giving a blur effect to the main source, and we can see a glass morphism type skill section that has been created here. We can see home, skills, education and testimonial section, and when you click on it, it will post back up again. This gives a very professional look to your website, and the entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description, and if you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing tutorials and portfolios. A lot of front-end work, front-end and back-end works you can get from our YouTube channel. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It is also available in light and dark mode. As you can see, it is totally responsive website. That is, it is available in the mobile and tab version also. Definitely, the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. So let's go into the website. So this is the about page, the starting page. And here I have mentioned, you can see the box effect around each and every form thing that I do. That is web development, web design, YouTube, and for photography. We have integrated SVG files into here, icons. Then you can see the border effect around the image, and we have the icons, and you can see the box shadow effect around the icons. Then you can see the hover effect on the social media icons, and you can also see the hover effect on the companies. Then we have this swiper function, you can see moving from one to another. Then we can go to the resume section, and in the section, you can see how we neatly designed it using the CSS, and you can see this entire bar representation of uh, the skills. Then we have portfolio section, and you can see in portfolio section we have applied filter. That is all. Then web development, we can we'll only get the web development projects, and in the web design we put only the web design projects. And you can see the hover effect and eye icon for demo section. So in all, we get every element that is present, every project that we have done. You can see the smooth hovering effect. Then we can go to the contact section. You can see in the contact section we have integrated the GPS. Then we have the contact form. You can see the red background around it. So until we enter any data, it will show red background, and when we enter the data, it will show that the user has entered. And for the email address also, if you enter the data also, it is not showing yellow color, but it's still showing that it is an error. So you have to mention at the date gmail.com to specify that yes, we have entered the Gmail. This is the validation by using the JavaScript. I have done this validation form. So you have to mention every detail. And if you don't mention this message and if you try to submit the button, you can see error that it won't allow you to submit. So you have to mention some data in the message. Then it will allow you to submit. You can see the hover effect on the submit button, and you can change the uh, light mode to dark mode by using this icon. By clicking on this icon, you can move from light mode to dark mode. So now this is the light mode. You can see in website the background border colors have changed to white, pure white. You can see next we can go to the resume section and see the border effects and portfolio, the filter effect, and then contact section. Let's see the hover effect on the button. This website is entirely responsive. That is, it is also available in mobile as well as in desktop version. You can see this is the desktop version that we have seen up to now. Now let's go to the this is the you can see this is the tab version of the website, and we can see small button effect which reveals our email ID, personal details like place, date of birth, and location, and our social media icons. Like by clicking on it, it will be made invisible, and you can see the tab version with the light mode. Then this website is also available on mobile version. Let me show you that. See the mobile version of this website. So here we can see this is the mobile version. You can see the button effect. Then you can see the navbar is available bottom to the page. We can go from here. You can see this is the education section, resume, then portfolio, and you can see the filter here also, web development and web design. You can see, and then all by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript combinedly, we have got this filter functionality for our website. Then we can go to the contact, and by using this button, we can change the theme of the portfolio to light mode. You can see that. See the transition from light mode to dark mode, the button effects, and the box shadow effects. So it is totally responsive website available in light and dark mode. If you want to build this project, the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. And full tutorials for responsive portfolios and for responsive websites are available with line-to-line code explanation. Please visit the channel, and if you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section which website you like the most and what website that you want me to build next. Thank you so much for your precious time.